Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, chrome trim, and much more. 17-inch super chrome alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 4-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 20,692 miles. The power liftgate, the spoiler, large brake lights, the rear wiper, a spacious cargo area with a cargo mat, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row adjustable fabric sport seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a power outlet, door pockets, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.